Dear USA and all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I am Vedapriya, native Indian tribe, true Israel, true order of all nations, and I am glad I am able to provide wisdom education to educate fellow mankind to be aware of birthrights. There is never judges yet in USA, and the date today is January 9th, 2021. And it is saddest reality. And it is a proof why USA nation, the youngest nation across the globe, is destroyed in pieces beyond repair. I am providing all scandals of Vatican, absolute monarchs, Satans, destroyed USA operations to USA government. I am excellent supreme civil judge that USA nation in deadliest chaos crisis is blessed with, for I alone can bail out USA nation, nobody can. I am born to save, protect, and free enslaved USA nation from evil force for past 500 years old of slavery. And year is 2021 already. I alone can remove the chains of slavery of enslaved, innocent, youngest nation in earth, USA. I own USA, and USA is Tamil Nadu, so civil justice must be served. So civil justice as of January 9th, 2021 is each Supreme Court judge of USA as of January 9th, 2021, regardless of genders, regardless of Republican Supreme Court judges or Democrat Supreme Court judges of USA, for failed in Supreme Court judge job, and for failed in Holy God of USA job, and for failed in civilian job, and for failed in being humane always job, and with foolish leprosy disease, misguided USA national operations, and for destroyed USA operations in the name of holy justice services, and for being educated, never knows biological moms must never be separated from children, and for that fatal negligence of educated, foolish, insane, inhumane, each Supreme Court judge as of January 9th, 2021 and beyond for being fatal, humane, negligent should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily forever to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide. Supreme Court judges of USA must know, should know, Supreme Court judges do not have any birthright to destroy humanity, to destroy national operations, or to misguide national operations, and national government do not have any birthright to separate biological moms from children. And it is fatal negligent. And Supreme Court judges of USA is at fault. And that is why Supreme Court each judge of USA must pay tax-free $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions worldwide is civil justice served as of today. Each amendments Declaration of Independence ratified in the 17th century, all created by Satan, evil Queen of England, Elizabeth II, when USA nation enslaved by British colony held Holocaust mandate process, and that is why Pledge of Allegiance of Republica USA is $1 trillion error, and France gave Statue of Liberty is another $1 trillion error, and each amendment of USA is another $1 trillion error, and USA nation is enslaved as a slave nation forever to evil Satan Queen of England, and innocent 300 millions of humans of USA sold as slaves to Satan Queen of England already in past 500 years. So Civil justice must be served now, this moment, effective now as of January 9th, 2021. That is, evil Satan, wild endangered species Lucifer, Antichrist, is Queen of England Elizabeth II, must pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily forever to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide. Then, USA nation and all nations worldwide should know a nation must never have criminal law, deadliest injustice service providers, created, enforced by deadliest Nazi, KKK, Confederate, evil hell creator, Roman Jesuits province leader Pope Francis mandated, Vatican hell mandate code of abuse, Spain, France, Andorra co-princes ascend Sicily, Italy archbishop, and France leader code of abuse. So, for that fatal negligence of absolute monarchs, Satan's worldwide, Republica Antichrist Pope Francis should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans forever. For Pope Francis, God of USA created deadliest venom, criminal service providers, health creators worldwide. Then, Republica Antichrist Pope Francis should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide forever. For Pope Francis, God of USA, with fatal negligence created deadliest venom, deadliest Holocaust, Nazism, service providers, health creators worldwide. Then, Republica Antichrist Pope Francis should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans forever. For Pope Francis, God of USA, created deadliest venom, deadliest Holocaust, KKK's health service providers, health creators worldwide. Then, Republica Antichrist Pope Francis should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans forever. For Pope Francis, God of USA, created deadliest venom, deadliest Holocaust, Rhodesia, Confederate, health services providers, health creators worldwide, with fatal negligence. Then, Republica Antichrist Pope Francis should pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. For Pope Francis, God of USA, failed in God of USA job and also with fatal negligence, being wild endangered human species, created deadliest venom, Holocaust, Europe, rebel organizations, and Islam-Judaism rebel organizations worldwide, hell creators, and deadliest war crimes, and deadliest nuclear weapons, and deadliest venom, USA National Rifle Association, health service providers, health creators worldwide. So, for I, Vedapriya, Supreme Civil Judge, displayed scandal of Vatican destroyed holiest justice operations of USA as of January 9th, 2021. I should be Supreme Court Civil Judge of USA to lead justice services of USA is civil justice served. There is a proof of Vatican scandal, and that is Republican GOP leader President Trump signed Supreme Court Judge Republica Brett Kavanaugh on year 2018 and Supreme Court Judge Republica Amy Barrett on 2020 is another $1 trillion worth of deadliest scandal of Vatican Republica. So for that fatal negligence, USA government must pay tax-free $50,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans for at fault, foolish, leprosy infected USA nation with blinded eyes elected Republica Judge Brett Kavanaugh in year 2018, an elected judge with fatal negligence. For the elected Judge Brett Kavanaugh never knows biological moms must never be separated from children is $1 trillion fatal negligence error. Then USA must also pay another tax-free $50,000 trillion daily to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide for at fault foolish leprosy infected USA nation with blinded eyes, elected Republica Judge Amy Barrett in year 2020 and elected Judge Amy Barrett with fatal negligence being Republica. For the elected Judge Amy Barrett never knows biological moms must never be separated from children is $1 trillion fatal negligence. So I am glad you all got educated of your birthrights with my wisdom education. USA government must sign off Supreme Court Chief Judge to I, Vedapriya, the native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, as of January 9th, 2021 and beyond to lead justice operations of USA across 50 states of USA and all nations worldwide. Thank you all for your time. Have a good day. Bye for now.